Hi team, video demo here. So automate personalized called messages here. So we're using Google Sheets. So we have dirty leads. So I have here 9 items, and then we're gonna put the that leads. We clean it and add a personalized message here. So here is my uh, n8n workflow. I have optimized this one. This is working. We have added a manual trigger so we can execute it anytime, no schedule whatsoever. So we have, and then I have added the Google Docs here. I'm using the get row. So from here, the first thing you need to do is just create an account or connect your account here, and the source will be the document and the operation will be get row. The document, get the document name. So for this one is test, and then the tab name of the sheet, so it's one, so here. And then once we get that one, we'll have this output. It's 9, and then from that one we're gonna use batch. So I'm gonna batch it one at a time, so it will not crash or lost connection to the server. And then here is the HTTP request. We need to add the company website here to scrape it and get the data. So this is the result. And the next step I did is I have added a code here to, from the data, it will be converting this to a plain text. So here is it. Here it is, the output we needed. And then from that, I have added here the GPT 4.1 mini, and then um, we just need to configure the model, the prompt that we want, and you can follow this prompt what I have added here, and then make sure that so make it bigger. So make sure that we have added the correct details here, the correct prompt, so to tell the AI that this is the name and the website content that we need to target. And then here also I have included again. So after that, so I need to save the screenshot. So using this edit fields, so we just map out it manually, and it will append again on this sheet here. It will be append. So the same setup, we just append or update a row, test, name of document, the sheet name, it will be clean leads, and map it. Okay, so for the personalized message, this you can just drag it here. This is the one, the most important one. Now let's go and test this. So as you can see, this is clean. So let's say execute one at a time. Boom. Okay, it's added. Boom. Next. Okay. So as you can see, we have an error here. So it can be fixed. So I just need to stop that one, and then the phone number, we need to convert it to a string. So let me just do a quick fix, and we're all good. Save and then start again the workflow. Okay, so it's running and it will go back, run again. So as you can see, it is now displaying. So yeah, Um, that's it. Thank you, Tim.